Hi, this is India with Bags and Lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching this video. Welcome or welcome back. Either way, I'm glad you are here. Today, we will be doing a comparison. Battle of the Contemporaries is what we'll call it. And it is going to be the Dun Pinko. If you've seen any of my other videos, you probably have seen me talk about this bag before. I featured it a couple of times. And the Karl Lagerfeld Agyness. So we're going to do a comparison. They are very similar in style, so I thought this would be a good comparison in case you're wondering about either one, or if you're like me and you just love all things handbags. Doesn't even matter if you're interested. You just want to see what someone's talking about and what someone's opinion of things are. Then definitely keep watching and we'll get to it. All right, we're back. I haven't filmed with my office chair in a while, so we got an oldie but goodie backdrop here. So, Pinko, lovely Karl Lagerfeld Agyness. So what I'm going to do first is do some measurements so you can see the comparison, and then we'll get into other, we'll get into other parts of the video, which will include a what's inside, fits inside, and then features and functions and things like that. So let's do the Karl Lagerfeld first. This is here up front. So across measurements are just a little bit over 10 inches. So we'd say like 10.3. Height coming in at 6, maybe like 6.4-ish area. And then let's do the width here. Sorry if I sound stuffy, guys. I'm getting over a cold. 3 inches. And let's get Pinky going. Pinky from Pinko. Alright, so we got this one at about 10.6 inches across, so a little bit longer. Get the height going. Girl, come on, stand up. 6 inches in height, so they're the same height. And let's get our width here. Just under 3 inches, so about 2.9. So it's just a tidge shorter in width, but not that much. All right, so let's go over the design features of the bag. So first up with the Karl Lagerfeld, of course, Karl Lagerfeld, rest in peace. He designed for Chanel for a very long time. And does that make it too bright? Ooh, that glistens. Hopefully that's not too bright for you. But we have the twist lock feature here, top flap. Let me get my little stuffing out of here. I packed my bags. I packed them. All right, so we have a completely open interior with two card holders here. As you'll see, let me pull that out so you can see that better. So 2 card holders here where you can stick your card, so you really could save room without having to use a wallet. You have an open pocket here, which is pretty generous. And then you also have a zippered pocket along the back, which is pretty generous. You also have kind of the grommets here that are one in front of the other, so it makes it easier for you to change up your length of your strap to wear either crossbody if you are short enough for it to be crossbody, or double strap over the shoulder. And then we got a long pocket in the back that is pretty much the length of the bag, which is perfect. So different from the Chanel classic flap. That's the Mona Lisa size. That's Mona Lisa back pocket. That's really, really small and not very useful, but probably to put a card or some receipts in. This one is a fully functioning pocket. Next up, come on, Pinko. All right. Oh, also you notice that the strap is not removable. Same as this one, strap is not removable, but it also is not adjustable. So it is just basically a standard strap, so you really can only wear this one way. All right, so this one has the top flap. It has this little tab here, so you pull down like that to get it to release. There's this little kind of nub here that's a unique shape that it has to fit under. So a little bit different there. All right, so inside you have it segmented into 2 large compartments. The middle zipper is the full length of the bag, and then you have a slip pocket in the very back. No back pocket. Next, we will do a little bit of what fits inside. So we're going to have Miss Pinko over here. Come over to the side here, and we will start with we'll fit several things in here. This is not a representation of everything that I carry with me, but I just want to throw a bunch of things in so you can get an idea. That's what I truly enjoy, is getting an idea of what people use in their bags, because I'm a little nosy, and then also because I just like to see how people are fitting things in their bags, what they carry, and it also gives me ideas on things that I can either carry or do in my bags to make them more functional and work for me. So hopefully this will be helpful for you too. I grabbed a bunch of stuff. Like I said, I don't necessarily use all of these things, but I just want to give you an idea. So first up, I never would do this, but this is a full-length wallet. So I'm going to stick this in the bag in case you got any people out there that use a full-length wallet and don't want to give that up. That's totally fine. You can do that. Full tin of mints, hand sanitizer. Sorry, this is washing it out, but this is a hand sanitizer. All right, so you seeing that in there? That's the hand sanitizer. Larger container of lotion. Stuff that inside. Got aspirin. Some people carry that, so got that in there. This will represent kind of like a little mini travel size or whatever's hand spray, scent, whatever. It's pretty large. This is 2.4 ounces, so we're going to stick that in there too, just to show you what you can take. We also have a little small kind of catch-all piece here from dress up your purse. My key holder from Jimmy Choo. So as you can see here, I'm really stuffing this in. I mean, you can't go anywhere without your keys. So we're going to do the keys. We're going to stick those in that slip pocket so we can make sure we know where things are. Chapstick, so if you use lip gloss or lip balm or some other type of makeup, we'll just stick this extra lotion in here to be something else, like maybe a little small foundation or whatever you want that to be. Pack of tissues. And look how full that is. Let's see if this is even going to close. Closes perfectly fine. It looks like it had a nice meal. That's how full it is. But because it's a softer structure, it totally works, and there's no hindrance because there's no extra kind of organization on the inside that you really can stuff this bad boy full. And I would say that you probably have a little bit of room that if you wanted to take a soft pouch with sunglasses with you. Let me just test out with my little readers here. I have no case for them, but we'll just see how it goes. You could fit that in there too. There's no double flap, so it's not kind of obstructing you from using the full capacity of the bag, which is nice. So you can fit a whole lot in here. And just imagine if I were to take out this full wallet, stick in this card holder here, or this is more like a compact wallet, not really a card holder. And then if I wanted to put this in here too, and stick this in, it is a little tight for that, but it's in there. So, you know, you need to just be strategic how you pack it, and then also strategic how you put things back in and take them out, is what I would say. But really, I would save a lot of room and be able to pack a whole lot more in if I actually use the card slots as my wallet, and then I also have extra room. So give you an idea what all you can fit. So it really can pack a whole lot in there for you people that carry everything in the kitchen sink. All right, next up was Pinko, and I'm so sorry. I forgot to stick my phone in the back, but I'm pretty sure it will fit in there. And you can still carry everything else on the inside of the bag because you still have that exterior pocket. So sorry, I forgot to stick my phone in there. But I will try to remember to do it this time. Or like some people carry their phone in their pockets, you can do the same. So let's do the same thing. Let's just see how much we can get inside. So I put the full length wallet. We'll put key holder there. Full on lotion. I'm always amazed that nobody carries lotion with them. Like most people carry makeup and things to touch up their face, and I'm thinking, you don't care about your hands being ashy? I cannot stand for my hands to be ashy. I have to have lotion. But I don't wear makeup, so that kind of exchanges things for me, I guess. Altoids, sticking those in the back here. We're gonna put our chapstick, and we'll stick that. We're gonna use some of this space we're creating, so I'm just gonna stick it in that little cubby spot there. Sticking the little pouch back in. I didn't put that in. The hand sanitizer. I love these compact hand sanitizers, and you can get these on Amazon. Shout out to Catwalk City. She shared hers, and I bought mine from Amazon. But also, I discovered that Nordstrom sells these too, so definitely check out Nordstrom because they were on sale. Another lotion to, signify something else that you need to carry. Foundation or whatever. Pack of tissue. Let's get that in there. Bottle of spray or what have you. I guess we're going to lay that on top. And then we got to get the keys in. Stick the keys here. Now, in this case, I was not able to put this in, but everything else fits just fine. Notice because I do not have any pocket on the back, I have no space for my phone. So if I didn't have any pockets or did not feel comfortable carrying my phone in my hand for an extended period of time, you would have to take out some extras to make sure that your phone fits. So you would not be able to carry as much. And I think, let me try. I'm going to try to fit my phone here in this little front pocket. Here's my work phone. This is an iPhone, I think this is an iPhone 12, like the normal size, and has a slim, as you can see, a slim case. So we're going to slip that up front like that, if you can see it tucked down there at the bottom. And last time I tried to stick my readers in, I'm sorry, these aren't readers. These are blue light glasses, fun blue light glasses. So if they were in a case, you could potentially stick them there, as you can see. And now I can't close it. So same capacity is not with this bag. No, remember that it was a point, like really a really small difference. It was like 0.1 inches smaller than the in width. So just keep that in mind. And also you have this divider here, so that does take up some more real estate that the other bag had. So let me take the readers out. That did it. The readers were too much, but at least without the readers, I still can fit my phone in here if I wanted to stack this to the brim. If you notice some bulging happening, so I'm very cognizant of that, but if you really aren't that worried about it, you do see some bulging happening, which means that there's going to be some misshaping of your bag when you continue to do that to it and stretch it out in different ways past is kind of like normal limits. But it does fit everything if you really, really want it to, minus this little piece here and the blue light glasses. So pretty much fits everything. So I'm going to get this all put off to the side, and then we'll talk about my thoughts. All right, so my thoughts about them. As you can see, both of them are very similar in size and also fit pretty much mostly the same things in them. I would say that as far as it goes, whether my preference is towards the Karl Lagerfeld over the Pinko, I would say that I would prefer the Karl Lagerfeld over the Pinko for general functional purposes, and the reason for that is going to be the back pocket as well as the open space on the inside. Now, I'm a person where I don't really carry a whole lot, but one thing that is mostly a deal breaker, but I've made some exceptions as for certain bags that I just really, really wanted was to be able to access my phone really quick without having to get inside my bag. And so that back pocket on the Karl Lagerfeld affords me that over the Pinko. So I would say solely for that those two reasons, because it's an open interior as well as it has the back pocket, so I could easily stick my phone in my back pocket without having to open my handbag and get my phone in and out of the bag. So that's what I would say would be my preference over the Karl Lagerfeld. If you have not seen my video over the Karl Lagerfeld, definitely I will link it up above so you can check it out. Thank you so much. If you're at this point of the video, there's something that you must have liked about my video or what I'm sharing, and I encourage you to watch several other videos if you're not quite sure whether you want to subscribe. But definitely like this video. I would really appreciate it even if you don't subscribe. And as always, if you have any questions, have any video suggestions, throw those in the comments down below. I am open to any suggestions that you have, and if I can make it work, I definitely will make it work and record a video on it. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you taking a little portion of your day and spending it with me, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.